Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover an app that you have deleted from your iPad. Whether you removed it on purpose or by accident, there is an easy way to get it back. So let's go through the steps together. First, let's clarify something. Sometimes an app may only be removed from your home screen, but it may be available in your app library. This means that the app isn't deleted, it's just hidden. To check, you can swipe left until you reach the app library. And here you can see all of your apps organized into folders. You can also find recently downloaded apps in the first folder labeled recently added. If you downloaded the app recently, it should be there. This is a fast way to find and restore an app to your home screen without having to download it again. So now if the app is completely gone from your device, you will need to follow the steps to restore it. Go ahead, open the App Store on your device. Then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to the account options where you can manage your apps and purchases. Next, tap on Purchased History or Purchased option. And here you will see the list of all of the apps that were previously downloaded but aren't currently installed on your iPad. Find the app that you want to restore and find the download button next to it and tap on that. The app will be re-downloaded and restored to your iPad. It's that simple. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.